Hello and greetings from Percentilers and welcome to Quant question of the day. Let's see today's question.
Please pause the video, read the question, try to do this question with as many methods as you can, and then resume. Now, I'm going to solve this question by three methods. The first of which would be trying out the options method. So the idea is that the initial amount is 10,000 rupees. The final amount should be 35% more than the initial amount. So the final amount is supposed to be 13,500. All right. Now, among the given options for the percentages, the easiest number that appears to me is 10. So I am going to try 10 for the first time because my policy is always to try the easiest looking number so that you can get a hang of the question and you can also try one option. If it fits, it's best. If it does not, it will give you some perspective. So let's see where 10 takes us. So the story is 10,000 rupees. There was a 10% loss. The balance is 9,000 rupees. Okay. Now this 9,000 rupees, there is a gain of 50%, 5 times of the loss earlier, and you get 13,500. Bingo. Job is done. Yeah, I would like to add on here that I did not try 10 as my first attempt because I knew that this was the answer. I tried it sincerely because it was the easiest number. And as per my experience, very often you would find that the good numbers, the easy numbers become the answer. If they don't, they help you in the best way as they could. So the second method will be taking the help of variables. So we know that loss is of X% and the percentage of growth as given is 5X percent. So let's do this. So 10,000 rupees. Okay. First, there was a loss of X%. So this is the balance after the first year. Now this balance will be now increased by 5X% to get you 13,500 fine. Now you can see that this has already laid the foundation of it becoming a quadratic equation in X. So let's do the math. So you'll get 100 minus X, 100 plus 5X as 13,500. You can ease out a little, simplifying by a factor of 5, you get 27. All right. So now 2000 plus 80x minus x 100. And the next thing will be our quadratic equation. That is where minus 80 plus 700. Solving this quadratic equation, you'll get the value of x as 10 or 70. In these two values, I have to let go of 70 because if the initial loss was 70%, the balance after the first year would be only 3,000 rupees. Imagine subtracting 70% of 10,000. The question says that the balance after the first year was 5 or more than 5,000. So 10 becomes my answer from here. This was my second method, the lengthy method, but the method that most people understand conveniently and a little sadly also because it consumes a lot of time. Now there is a third method also that you need to have the knowledge of a formula, successive percent increase or successive percent change. So net change is given by A plus B plus AB by 100, net percent change. So this net percent change, we know it is 35. A we know is going to be minus X because the loss we do not know. So this minus X. Next change is plus of 5X. And so this will also form the same quadratic, but with less number of steps. From here also, you are going to get the value of X as 10. Those of you who do not understand why in this bracket X upon 100 and 5X upon 100 came and how this formula came into existence, you can watch our video on percentage basics theory. Do the work,